Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video for September 8th, 2016. So you see, it's about 10 minutes before the close. Today was all about just the market trying to get out of its own way, waiting for Apple's event to come out. And one thing really exciting was that before the event, we talked about Apple going up after the event. You might ask why we did that, and we'll go over that in a minute, but this is the kind of stuff you get on the premium side. In fact, I'll go over it right now. If you go through all the other events Apple has, so we went through other years, and usually it rallies up to an event. This time it did nothing for days. So what happens? When the event is over, you buy the news. So all the other times you short the news. And sure enough, the stock's gone from 107.15 almost to 109. So that's been pretty exciting in here. Well, today what the overall market did, then I'll go over some of the things that I had pointed out, and they worked fantastic. ES is right now down 125. As I posted in the premium side, we're seeing a certain chart pattern. You have to tune into the premium side to see what pattern I'm seeing in here, but so far so good. NASDAQ up only 0.25. Was a little weak all day until the Apple event came out. The Russell up 6 points right now, just like we talked about. The Russell needs to outperform in here to play catch up with the rest of the markets. Gold giving back a little yesterday. Bonds up 8, continuing just a little flight to quality in here with some uncertainty around the election. Dollar coming back a bit today. Crude oil coming back a bit. Transport's up 97. We're going to go into that in a minute. Advanced decline, moderately positive. They've been moderately positive all day, actually. DE Dow, which is the German DAX, up a bit. Chinese market not doing much anything. VIX continues to sell off just a bit. The VIX, I go by the VIX futures. Natural gas still continuing to sell off in here. So, a couple of things I want to show you very exciting about what we show on our charts. I want you to realize that in the simpler stocks, we have obviously the $7 30-day trial. But what I want to show you in here was what that includes is you have the chat room in the morning from 9 to 10 a.m. But the reason I'm bringing this up right away is on the email alerts, we do stock trades and chart ideas. And in here I said the longs I am eyeing. This is from 2 days ago now. And what I wanted you to know in here is when you go to some of the longs, you have AAPL. This is 2 days ago. Look at the thin zone I'm showing to 40. See that little arrow? Now let's take another one in here. ALK. 68, I showed that. Look at the thin zone. Just go from more to more in here, and you're going to see RETA at 1922. Do you see that right there? Now we're going to fast forward to what they're doing today. Here's American Airlines, and this is the kind of stuff you get prior to the moves. There you go. That could have paid for your subscription for a couple of years. 36 when I mentioned it, 39. Look at Alaska Airlines in here. Mentioned it at 68, 71. But here is the coup de grace here. Look at RETA. 1922. There you go. 26. I'm not making that up. I showed it right here at 1922. I just showed you the email alerts. I'm not trying to brag on this. I'm trying to show you that a lot of the trades that I post in there really work. These are things that you get on the premium side, and it's very exciting when we're in an environment where bullish charts are really working well. That doesn't mean I don't think the ESs are starting to get to the end of their line, but it means that a lot of the speculative stocks or stocks with good chart patterns are still working. So I hope everybody's enjoyed this video. Like I said, we have the $7 30-day trial. You can go try it out, and you'll see these kind of picks for yourself. Have a great night. Talk to you later.